This is an amazing 1963 Plymouth Savoy, but it's not just any Savoy. As you can tell by this paint job, this is something spectacular. This would be the base model, but it's equipped with the 426 maxi wedge, and just look at that interior. Absolutely brand new. Amazing. Very low mileage, and this was what was in the glove box. It's letting you know that when you buy this car, you are essentially on your own because they know what kind. It's really meant for racing, so it is not meant to be a everyday go to the store type car, and they know that in racing it's going to be driven hard. So they're saying they don't want to be responsible for breakage if it's run too hard maybe. This car has automatic transmission, and that's the amazing thing about TorqueFlite. It could withstand the rigors of a 426 maxi wedge. And just look at that engine compartment. Dual carburetors, dual 4-barrel carburetors. And the specs are on a piece of paper that you'll see in a minute. Big Daddy Don Garlits signed it. Just flawless, a flawless car. Amazing. And here it is. Super stock factory race car. 24,000 original miles, and it looks that. 415 horsepower. And it's documented by Chrysler Historical Society, so this is the real thing. How often do you get to see a vehicle like this? It's truly amazing. And when we get to the back of the car, you'll see something called a ventilated battery. The cells, individual cells, are vented. Never saw that before. Notice the dog dish hubcaps. And safety first, has seat belts. And another signature by Don Garlits. I like the way the owner has opened the car up so that people can really check it out. And there's the vented battery. See all those lines going from the individual cells. There it is. Spare. I'm sure never on the ground. And the California plate. Amazing car.